This Focemta circuit breaker finder tool combines breaker locating, outlet testing, and GFCI verification in one compact unit, so you can diagnose most household and light commercial wiring issues without juggling multiple gadgets. The digital display shows real-time voltage within the typical residential range, along with signal strength, which makes tracing the correct breaker in a crowded panel far more reliable than simple tone-based testers. Its GFCI testing function not only trips the device but also times the response and reports common wiring problems using both a clear screen and colored indicator lights to make results easy to interpret at a glance. The housing feels solid and impact-resistant, yet remains lightweight enough for all-day use, and the included carrying case keeps the transmitter, receiver, and accessories organized between jobs. Because it runs on standard batteries that are already supplied in the box, you can start using the tool immediately without hunting for extras or dealing with charging docks. Safety is well considered, with a rating appropriate for typical residential and commercial branch circuits and third-party compliance markings that give extra confidence when using it around live wiring.